Hello, my girls and boys too. I think it's been a long that we have sat down and had a real raw girl talk. So grab a coffee or tea and sit down because I'm going to talk about something very real and very honest thing that it happens with every one of us. It's something that I have been feeling a lot lately, and I'm definitely sure that you guys are feeling that same way too. That life is hard, and no matter how and how much do we try, it is always going to bring a real struggle. It's either we complain or stay with the silent. We have to suffer from it because we don't get any options. And I know that it sounds depressing, but hear me out. That it's actually empowering once you get it. Because at the end of the day, we have to choose our heart. We have to choose our way. And I think that's what decides what kind of woman we are going to become. So let's break it down part by part. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Don't worry, I'm here. I have heard so many people saying that I'll get serious once all the things will get easier for me. I'll get confident. I'll earn more money after this happened, after this happened. So हम ज़्यादातर लोग हर एक चीज़ को एक कंडीशन के आगे रख देते हैं कि ये हो जाएगा तब मैं ये शुरू करूँगी. So we are just wired to seek easy things to get serious. The truth is, easy things never come. Yes, and that's the harsh reality of life. It doesn't come with ease. We have to go with the pain, either way, this or that. I'll give you some examples. Staying broke is hard, so does working for yourself. Building your future is hard too, right? Because when you're broke, you're constantly stressed about paying bills, groceries, rents, your studies and lots of things. और जब हम सोचते हैं कि आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट, आई हैव टू गेट मनी, आई हैव टू पे द बिल्स, तो उसके लिए हम मेहनत भी करते हैं. सो दैट इज़ हार्ड टू. समझ रहे हो मैं क्या बोलना चाह रही हूँ? तो एक जो हार्ड है वो आपको आगे नहीं बढ़ने दे रहा. एंड द सेकेंड हार्ड इज व्हेन यू आर चूजिंग टू वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ, वर्क ऑन योर फ्यूचर. You are choosing to go through the pain, but still you see the future ahead. You see the woman you are going to become. Second example, staying in toxic relationship is hard. At the same time, when you are deciding to coming out of that relationship, that is hard too. Why? I'll tell you. जब आप टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप में होते हो, then definitely you are not in a good space. You feel that I wish I would get out of this relationship, but you know that you are too attached with that relation. You can't come out of that because you just can't, right? You feel small. You don't realize your worth. You don't know what kind of love, respect, and all the things you deserve. So that is hard too. But when you try to come out that relation, it becomes hard too. But what hard you are choosing will going to give you growth. अब जब आप उसमें ही रहोगे तो वो तो हार्ड रहना ही है. दैट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू ईदर वे. एंड व्हेन यू आर डिसाइडिंग टू गो विद द अदर हार्ड, it is going to help you, my girl. I want to scream out this loudly. Choose your heart wisely, because when you don't decide as a woman your own decision, when you let something else decide your decision, it really makes hard for you and for your future. So choose that wisely. And even with the confidence, it is hard too, because you compare yourself with other people, and this is painful too. But at the same time, when you try to heal yourself, when you try to figure out your insecurities, that becomes hard too. But this way, you know that it is going to help you. You are going to grow. And to be honest, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. और मुझे ऐसा क्यों लगता है? Because I have talked to so many of my clients, my friends, and my girls, the reason that we choose wrong hard is that feels comfortable. इसीलिए हम वो चूज़ करते हैं बिकॉज हमें इतना कंफर्टेबल और अच्छा लगता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन वी आर ग्रीविंग समबडीज लॉस, वो हमें एक तरफ से हम ज़्यादा टाइम हम पेन में रह जाते हैं तो हमें वो कंफर्टेबल हो जाता है बिकॉज द लव्ड वंस आर गिविंग अस सिंपैथी, लव, सो दैट बिकम सो फेमिलियर कि हमारे दिमाग को तो पता ही नहीं है ना कि हम गलत है कि सही में है. वो तो बस अब ट्रेंड हो चुका है कि बस यही है जो चल रहा है एवरीडे. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि एक दिन एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू फील स्मूथ इन आवर लाइफ, बट ऐसा नहीं होता. until and unless we manually program our mind, तब तक कुछ बदलने नहीं वाला. हम बस इस पे नहीं अपने नसीब पे और जो होगा वो देखा जाएगा उस पे हम नहीं चल सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई एम ऑलरेडी ब्रोक, आई फील सो फेमिलियर कि आई फील सो सेफ विद इट कि अब तो यही ज़िंदगी है और ऐसा ही चलेगा. कि मुझे अब आई हैव टू स्टे विद द पेन फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ बिकॉज this is what it is. Because if I stay in a comfort zone, I don't have to do anything. मुझे ना ही रिजेक्शन को फेस करना पड़ेगा, neither I have to face a failure because I'm not going to do anything when I'm broke. That's the one pain. But when I'm deciding to go ahead to learn skills, to get degree, to get done my education, that is also coming with pain. But that thing is helping me to come out of the situation of broke. Safety doesn't mean growth. Most of the time we are choosing the pain that feels stuck, but we have to choose the pain that frees us. Like जो हमें freedom दे, जो हमें help करे कि हम आगे बढ़ें. Right? Most of the people are so scared of the discipline. लाइक डिसिप्लिन, और डिसिप्लिन कोई डरावनी चीज़ नहीं है, जहर नहीं है कि यू आर दैट मच अफ्रेड. आई विल गिव यू माई पर्सनल एग्जाम्पल इन थ्रू माई लाइफ. कमिंग अब्रॉड, गेटिंग माई एजुकेशन डन, living alone all by myself, doing groceries, paying rents, paying my all bills, cooking food for myself, going for work, everything was hard. Not for me only, but the people who come here, the immigrants, it's the situation for everybody here. But still I chose to come here, not because it was easy and it was giving me a freedom, but if I have stayed back home, वो और hard होता मेरे लिए, because I have my own reasons. Women in my community never ever gets chance to just be their self. No, never. मैंने वो चूज़ किया होता तो I would have been married to someone and had kids. That was not a life that I want. So both ways were hard, but I still chose this one because that was easy. Sometimes when I come from work and I have to cook for myself, I have to do the groceries and everything by myself. Sometimes I feel like the thoughts, the random thoughts, कि काश मैं उधर ही रह गई होती. एटलीस्ट आई हैव माई पेरेंट्स देयर, माई फैमिली हु वुड हैव कुक फॉर मी, दैट वुड बी ईजी. आई डिडंट हैव टू पे माई फीस बाय माई सेल्फ. दैट्स द मोस्ट scariest part, but that's okay. That's wonderful that I chose to come here because it has taught me a lot. It teaches you a lot. It really teaches you a lot. Once you leave your home, it just makes an entire different person. So here is the truth, my darling. Life will always have pain either way. Struggle is guaranteed. You cannot expect an ease in a life when you are dreaming big, when you are dreaming to become a version of yourself who can achieve so many things. It will break you. It will just shatter you in a way that you cannot even expect and you are not prepared. Growth is optional. It's up to you. कि आप क्या डिसाइड कर रहे हो. इट लिटरली डिपेंड्स ऑन योर डिसीजन. विल आई लेट दिस सिचुएशन डिफाइन माई सेल्फ? Or will I choose the heart that helps me to grow? Ask yourself every day, every day, every day, every day. Because after your 20s, I'm not making it too much, but I'm just telling you because nobody talks about it. I know when I passed through my 20s, everything felt so overwhelming because I didn't know कि ऐसी जिंदगी होती है. I didn't know. I literally didn't know. That's why I'm telling you, screaming out here, telling you guys that ask yourself which heart builds your character, which heart will help you to feel you proud of yourself. And I'm not sitting here and telling you, आ जाओ बच्चों ज्ञान ले लो मेरे से. I'm sitting here and telling this all stuff because I know this is not easy. And the next time you're going to face two hearts, remind yourself which heart is going to help me. Remind yourself that दोनों ही मुश्किल है. So what should I choose that is really, really going me to help? That really is going to give me what I want, what I deserve. चलो ये सब तो बात कर ली, but let's talk about how to actually do this. I'm going to give you 4 steps that I have been practicing to choose my heart. First, pause before reacting. हमेशा pause करो कोई भी situation, like anything that is going to happen. Reaction से पहले pause करो, think about it. Don't just react randomly on anything. ये फ्री वाली टिप थी. When life throws you a challenge, don't just seek comfort. उसके बारे में सोचो कि what actually is this trying to tell me? What is universe is trying to actually teach me? कोई भी डिसीजन लेने से पहले पॉज करो और सोचो कि मैं कौन सा रास्ता लूँ जो लॉन्ग टर्म में मुझे अपने सेल्फ पे काम करने में हेल्प कर रहा है. विच पाथ इज हेल्पिंग मी, नॉट विच पाथ इज कंफर्टिंग मी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you are having 2 job offers. The one offer pays more right now, but the work culture is very toxic. The hours are too much and you are just feeling drained. Then the second offer is that company pays less right now, but invest in growth, benefits, very good mentors, healthy culture. नॉर्मली हम क्या डिसाइड करेंगे? ऑप्शन 1 जो हमें ज़्यादा पे कर रही है, बट वी आर लर्निंग नथिंग, ज़ीरो स्किल्स, टॉक्सिक कल्चर, नो मेंटोर्स, नथिंग, नो बेनिफिट्स. बट द अदर इज लेस पे. दैट्स वाई वी आर नॉट चूजिंग इट बिकॉज पैसे कम मिल रहे हैं. ऑफकोर्स पैसे इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट देर आर सो मैनी थिंग्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट एज मच एज मनी. जब आप अपने स्किल पे काम करते हो, जब आप अपनी ग्रोथ पे काम करते हो, अपने कैरेक्टर पे काम करते हो, अपने आप पे एंटायरली काम करते हो, you're definitely going to earn a lot, a lot. I'm telling you, I have seen so many people working on their skills and right now they're earning a lot. And I have seen those people too who used to just care for money. Right now they are broke. Why? Because they don't have degree, they are not skilled, right? So yeah, it's up to you which heart you are deciding. Second step, whenever you are deciding something, think about long term. How will it feel like after a 1 year, whatever you are deciding? Third step, break it into small wins. मेरा मतलब ये है कि when you are choosing a right hard path for you, it doesn't mean कि आपको सब कुछ एक ही बारी में करना है. यू नो, अब तो मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया, देन आई हैव टू डू इट, लाइक ओ माय गॉड, सो मच एनर्जी. That will just drain you later. Start small things. For example, if you can't read half of the pages of book, just start reading 3 pages, 5 pages. If you are not hitting gym every day, start going 3 days per week. If you can't just come out of toxic relationship, just start ignoring them little, slowly, gradually. Eventually, you will start reading a book, you will start loving the gym, you will start to make it normal to ignore a toxic friend. और धीरे धीरे आप eventually you will be so proud of yourself that Yes, I did it. बाहर बहुत धूप आ चुकी है. Oh my god, it's raining and it's so much sunny. Let me close the windows. Then comes start celebrating when you're choosing a right heart for you. Because you don't have to wait for the big results when you choose a right heart for you. Because every time when you pick discipline over comfort, you are already winning. You're already winning, my girl. You don't have to wait for the big results. When you choose a discipline, that's a sign that you are growing. You are becoming more stronger than ever. Apart from that, you know the reason that I keep telling my girls, my cousins who are younger than me, so I never had anybody who is elder than me. तो मुझे ना आदत सी हो गई है कि सबको सबको मतलब द यंग वंस को बोलना कि what is right for you, you should do this, that's a good thing for you, that is going to bring more good things for you in your future. You should build yourself, you should work on your character and everything. I just love doing that, and that's why I feel like a big sister, because I love doing that. If somebody is going through hard time, I really feel nice when I am here and there for them, for my loved ones. So yeah, that's not anything that a gnan kind of thing, but it's really my love language. मेरा भाई तो मेरी सुनता नहीं है. He's younger than me and he listens to me but he never follows. Yeah, he listens to me but he never follows. So my girls, here is my big sister reminder for all of you that stop waiting for life to get easy. It is not going to happen. It doesn't exist. You have to start right now. You have to start choosing your right heart for you. And if you need my help, if you really need my help, I have my one-on-one session because I am officially trained life coach. I'm going to put the link in my description, and either or also you can DM me on my Instagram, which is Grow with Confidence. Just yeah, if you need my help, I have few slots available this week and the next upcoming week. You are really stronger than you think. क्योंकि मैं भी ऐसे ही सोचती थी कि आई एम नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग बिकॉज आई यूज टू क्राई ऑन लिटल थिंग्स, but that doesn't mean कि I am weak. And I know so many people out there just cry because they are emotionally intelligent. That's why people cry. Now I have learned it, so I have normalized it. But nobody was there to tell me that when I'm crying, it's okay. People have told me, even my past friends have told me that ये तो छोटी छोटी बातों पे रहती है. But I was not weak. I know, because I am always here and there for the people who need me for the emotional support. Why? What was the reason? Because लोग मेरे पास आते हैं, they just open their self, यार. They just shares everything, and I feel so blessed for it. And now I want you to comment below that what hard you are facing right now and how I can help you, and how you are going to choose a right heart or a wrong heart that is going to shape you. If you need my help, let me know. I'll reach out to you. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.